Today we're making pumpkin pie from pumpkins.
Real pumpkins.
I haven't sung at all in this episode. I sing in every episode, okay? Like, I'm always singing some random shit.
You're so cute!
Good job. Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with My Dumb Friends. I, of course, am Christian, and this is...
Carlie.
And we are making pumpkin pie today. Real pumpkins. Is that your pumpkin then? That makes this one mine. Look at his stem. He's so official.
Why is it so small?
Because they're sugar pumpkins. Hey, thanks.
Seriously?
Yeah, and they're for pumpkin pie. The big ones are not, and they would not taste good. So if you're carving a pumpkin, don't think that you can turn that into a pie. I mean, you can, it just won't be good. So for our pumpkin pie, we are going to use pumpkin, of course, evaporated milk, eggs, brown sugar, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and salt. The first thing we want to do is cut our pumpkins in half.
Let the knife do the work. Let the knife do the work.
But also put some weight in it. Okay, perfect.
How red am I?
The raddest. Okay. See? Different.
Perfect.
It looks more like a squash. Now we scoop.
Is it gonna be like spaghetti squash after we roast it?
Not exactly. I'm gonna turn the oven on to 375.
Like, can you just acknowledge my side compared to her side?
What do you mean?
Like, look at all my seeds everywhere.
Oh. Alright, so we're gonna put a little bit of oil on our pan. Just a wee bit. And then we just put the cut side down.
You can
Oh, boom. Okay, we did
like
it.
Tetris.
And then we're gonna put a little bit of the oil on the outside. Fondle your pumpkin. They like that kind of
Get them
stuff.
all nice and oiled up.
Yep. Something's happening here. I don't know. All right, so we're gonna toss these in the oven in the middle. We set the timer for an hour, and so now we're just gonna hang out and play some games and wait for our pumpkin to cook. Man, a flame. Got it. Our pumpkin's almost done, so we're going to make our pie crust real fast. And what we need for that is shortening our butter as our fat. So we're going to do both and see if we can tell the difference.
Can I be better?
No.
Fine, I'll be shortening.
And flour, salt, and a little bit of water. So it's pretty simple. My grandmother always put like a little bit of sugar in any sort of crust that was for something that was sweet. So I'm going to do that also. But you don't have to.
That's a good rule of thumb. I like that.
Mm-hmm. We need a cup and a third of flour.
Okay. You do that so nicely.
Done it a lot of times.
Not a baker. Who's cooked, but never bake.
I try to do it all. Fat.
Fat? All the fat?
No, half that.
Half of it?
Mhm.
Oh.
Yeah, we're dual wielding.
That's
So,
a thing.
yep. We're gonna cut it into the flour. But before we do that, we're gonna put a little bit of salt.
Do I just add it? Just.
Maybe a little more, cause mine has salt. The butter has salt. Okay. You're like cutting it across each other. Yeah, like you're cutting up meat, kind of. So you're trying to get them like pea-sized pieces. It's got these little chunkies of butter.
How's mine looking?
Good. Good. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Cool. Yep, so clean your knife. Then we're going to add water.
Cool.
3.5 tablespoons. So, but you'll do it like one at a time. Lightly flour the surface.
I'm so excited. This is my favorite part. Okay.
I'm just trying to like get it all in a clump. Get it all out. Meat. 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 Sound effects are necessary.
I'll remember that.
Always necessary. Okay. Then I'll grab my pan. I want it to be a little bit wider than the pan. Try not to punch it. Roll it up on your guy.
I was seriously wondering how you were gonna do that. Because I was like, isn't that just gonna like crumble if you pick it up?
Yes.
Oh man. Alright. Ooh. I have a lot to live up to, people. I feel like there's a lot of steps. Okay.
I'll walk you through it. I don't
Okay.
expect you to remember
Okay, I'm
everything.
like,
It's like, okay, now do it.
I don't remember where the meep meep goes.
I'll help you with that one part. I mean, it's the most important part.
I
can't
know.
I won't do anything else on mine. We'll leave it there so then you can catch up. So I'm gonna reflour this. Get it in a ball.
Alright. Let's get into the ball.
Nice.
Guys, I'm cool. Okay, and push it down.
And this can be your meat.
Mer, 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 mer,
Moment.
mer. They're like super brown.
Yeah. You know how to beat an egg with a fork, right?
Yes.
Okay. 2. Okay. Good. Grab your pumpkins. B. Gonna mash it like potatoes. So for our pumpkin pie, we're gonna have evaporated milk.
Yum.
So brown sugar, salt, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg. 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Okay, so spices. Salt, half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Smells like gingerbread cookies. Quarter teaspoon of ginger. Okay.
How much cinnamon?
1 teaspoon. We're gonna add the eggs.
Okay. Just all of them?
All of them.
Okay.
All 2 of them.
Can I hand this to you?
Of course. So you want to slowly
Okay.
add your evaporated milk.
I'm gonna be internet famous. I'm just kidding.
So famous, especially if you share the episode, and please do that because sometimes people don't and it makes me really upset.
Gotta get on my stir game.
Okay.
Like, literally.
Yeah, like literally. So we can throw these on in the oven, just straight up in the oven.
These are bartender skills, people.
So we're going to bake them for 25 minutes to start, but it'll be 50 minutes total. We just want to make sure that our crust isn't browning too quickly, because if it is, we'll add foil.
I feel like you did all the ones that I already want to do, so now I have to be creative.
All the foods?
Yeah.
Yeah, think of something.
Oh! I know what I want to do. And you can't let anybody steal this. Ever. In your life. Because I am... Oh, I'll get so mad.
What is it? You got so excited. I figured you knew
Because
what it was called.
I don't know what they're called. And they're like sandwiches, or you can get them like burrito style, and it's lamb, and then lettuce, tomato.
You mean like Euros?
Cut it off the...
Yeah.
That's Euro.
No, it's
Our crust is almost brown, so we want to prevent it from cooking too much more, so we're going to put foil on it. I'll do it though because I have kitchen hands and I don't want you to burn yourself. Okay. 3. We need 4?
No, you need 4 keys to get out. You need 1 more key than Jen's to get out.
Alright, I got 4. That's one. That's one. Heavy cream. Sugar. Oh. Vanilla extract. So, all of that. Perfect.
It's probably about a cup and a half.
I would say a cup.
Cup.
Probably just a cup. Tablespoon of sugar. That's fine. It doesn't have to be level. And just a dash of vanilla. Just because I like flavor. A lot of people don't put vanilla in their whipped cream.
I don't know if I trust myself to do a dash.
You can do it. Just a dabble, do you? You know, Colorado's my... Whoa! Wow. Okay. Now I know why you didn't trust yourself to do that. It's okay. It's okay. You know, lesson learned. Nice.
Ooh.
Really?
It's vanilla-y, but that's like some good shit right there.
Yeah, we're not going to serve it right now. Now we have to cool our pies for a mo. And a mo in this sense is an hour at least.
It's so good though, seriously.
And I wish I could enjoy. Wow, yeah, that went over your head, like to the ground. Oh, and into your face. Yeah, yep, on your neck, in your hair, yeah, everywhere. That's great. This is great.
Hey, look, pumpkin pie.
I don't need no pumpkin pie spice in my latte. I don't drink caffeine, but cause I make pumpkin pie spicy. Okay. Oh Jesus!
Why is your pumpkin better than mine?
Mine is. I don't know why. It's weird. That's very weird.
I think your pumpkin pie has way more of a pumpkin taste than mine.
Don't dump the whole pie out. Okay.
Thanks, Christian.
Hey, you're welcome, boo. And what you need to do next to show how thankful you are in this season of thankfulness, subscribe, like it, and make sure that the notifications let you know when we are doing new stuff, because we are always doing new stuff, and you need to be on top of it. So, subscribe. Subscribe, 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 subscribe to our show.
Her show.